Question 21. Ray has 9 cards numbered 1 to 9. Ray takes at random 3 of these cards. He works out the sum of the numbers on the 3 cards and records the result. Work out the probability that the result is an even number. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to consider tree diagram here to look at what's happening with each card he takes. So he takes 1 card, and that card is either even or odd. He'll then take a second card, and again it's either even or odd, and a third card, even or odd. Now, I want to consider the outcomes here when these numbers are added together. If I add together 3 even numbers, the result will be even. If I add together 2 even and an odd, that will not be even. And so, looking through each of these outcomes, 2 even and an odd is no good. An even and 2 odds is good. An odd and 2 evens is no good. 2 odds and an even again is good. Again is good, but 3 odds, no good. And so now I know which outcomes will result in an even number. That is the probability that all 3 of the numbers are even, or the probability that 2 of them are odd and 1 is even, of which there are 3 cases. And so the probability of even is 4/9, because there are 4 even cards, but there are 9 in total, multiplied by the second even card that he takes out. There's now only 3 even cards, and there's 8 cards left. And the third even card, there's now only 2 out of 7. 4/9 times 3/8 times 2/7 is 1/21. And now I want the probability for taking 2 odds and an even. The probability of the first being odd is 5/9. The second odd would be 4/8. And then an even would be 4/7. And this probability can occur 3 times. Notice I don't have to list out odd, odd, even, odd, even, odd, even, odd, odd, because the denominators of these fractions will always be 9, 8, and 7. And the numerators will always be 5, 4, and 4. And so whether I work out odd, 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 even, or even, odd, the result will be the same. And I will have that result 3 times, which is 10 21s. Because these are the 2 cases that can give me an even number, the sum of these is my even result. So that's 1/21 plus 10, which is 11/21.